good morning. Welcome to Maitri's kitchen. So today recipe is for egg lovers. Today we are going to do street style egg dosa. This is one of the variety. In the upcoming videos we will be doing other varieties of egg dosa. So let us get into our recipe and see how do we do our step by step street style egg dosa. To do our egg dosa is I've heated the tawa, it's getting heated. So in this we are going to spread our dosa flour. Followed with that we are going to break our egg and put all the above ingredients. So let us get into our step by step process. I have just spreaded our dosa flour. In this we are going to add one by one all the items. Street style egg dosa they will add only one egg. I am going to add 2 eggs as we are doing it in our home. So let us see how do we do our stylish healthy egg dosa for the day. One more egg. Yes. The egg is flipping outside. So let this get spread fully. Just spread it across. In this I am going to add all the ingredients one by one. So starting with our chopped onions, little chili, as per the spice level you wanted, little chili, a pinch of coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of gingery oil. Usually they do it with refined oil. I am doing it with gingery oil. Friends, you can find the egg is getting boiled, the egg dosa. So along with that I have already done the powder ready. It is nothing but cumin seeds and peppercorns finely grated to coarse powder, not fine. Just add a bit just to enhance the taste. So let us wait till the egg gets boiled a bit, then we can flip it the other side. Find it's finally getting boiled the other side. I'm just going to flip it the other side. So just press it so that the egg gets nicely tossed into the dosa flour, and let us wait for 2 more minutes. Let us see how well is our egg street style dosa come out. Yes, it's come out very well, so it is ready to be displayed. So this is one of the egg variety dosa. Here goes our street style egg dosa variety 1. In the upcoming videos I will be sharing more egg dosa varieties, and I have just missed to take one shot. We have added salt once we added the egg yolk into the dosa, so please add the salt. Though we have salt in the dosa flour, but still to enhance the taste we should add salt on the egg yolk once we put it on the dosa flour. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.